Bluetooth audio receivers from Ugreen span a broad spectrum of use cases, from car setups and plane travels to home stereo upgrades and portable listening. The category matters because it directly affects how you transform legacy audio gear into wireless-enabled systems without sacrificing sound quality or reliability. This review analyzes 5 Ugreen models that cover a range of priorities. LDAC high-res playback.
List number 1. Bluetooth 6.0 receiver with LDAC high-res audio support. This model blends LDAC high-res audio support with a Bluetooth 6.0 receiver designed for old stereo systems, wired speakers, and home audio setups. It supports LDAC up to 24-bit by 96 kHz and carries a high-res audio gold label certification, positioning it as a high-fidelity option for discerning listeners. It's a battery-powered receiver with USB-C charging and an automatic reconnect caveat noted in the manual. Performance-wise, the LDAC capability unlocks higher resolution streaming on compatible source devices, but it hinges on source compatibility and codec negotiation. In dual pairing mode, 2 phones can connect simultaneously, which is ideal for shared listening experiences. However, only one device can output at a time, so you'll need to manage playback between devices. With up to 15 hours of playback and USB-C charging, even while in use, it offers solid longevity for a typical day, though the absence of auto reconnect on iOS devices after disconnects means occasional manual pairing is required.
List number 2. Aux to Bluetooth 5.4 adapter, 3.5mm Bluetooth receiver for car, USB 2.0 to 3.5mm jack chip with built-in microphone, aux input for hands-free calls, compatible with car speaker. A budget-oriented car/aux receiver with built-in microphone for hands-free calls, leveraging Bluetooth 5.4 with SBC codec support and a plug-and-play USB power design. It emphasizes portability and ease of use, with device memory for up to 5 paired devices and the ability to pair 2 devices concurrently for quick switching in a shared car environment. In practice, this model excels as a do-it-yourself car audio upgrade. Plug into the 3.5mm jack, power via USB, and you're set. The zinc alloy connectors suggest durability, and the compact form factor makes it unobtrusive in a vehicle. The trade-offs include SBC-only audio decoding, no LDAC or aptX, which limits high-resolution playback. But for in-car streaming and hands-free calls, it delivers clear, dependable audio with a simple user experience. It remembers up to 5 devices and supports simultaneous pairing, which is convenient for households with multiple phones.
List number 3. Bluetooth 6.0 receiver for car with LDAC. This car-focused receiver is built around LDAC with Bluetooth 6.0 and AI noise cancellation for improved hands-free calls. It offers dual pairing and a long battery life of up to 17 hours, with 3.5mm aux outputs for car stereos or home speakers. Performance-wise, the AI noise cancellation aims to reduce ambient road noise and wind, which should improve call clarity. The 17-hour battery life is competitive for road trips, and the dual pairing feature is convenient for sharing music between 2 devices, though only one device outputs at a time. It specifies non-use with Bluetooth headsets or other wireless devices, making it clearly a receiver rather than a transmitter. The combination of LDAC and 6.0 should yield strong performance on compatible devices, though non-LDAC devices will fall back to SBC.
List number 4. Airplane Bluetooth 6.0 transmitter receiver for 2 AirPods or headphones. A 2-in-1 transmitter receiver designed for airline use and travel, with Bluetooth 6.0, a built-in microphone, and a 10-meter range. It supports transmitting to Bluetooth headphones in TX mode and turning non-Bluetooth devices into Bluetooth-enabled ones in RX mode, making it versatile for plane, TV, and car use. In daily use, this model shines as a travel companion. Long battery life, up to 18 hours RX, 16 hours TX, 10-meter range, and a compact form factor. However, as a 2-in-1 device, it requires correct mode selection before use, and the user experience can be nuanced when switching between TX and RX modes in high-motion environments, air travel, planes with built-in entertainment. The 6.0 platform ensures quick pairing and generally reliable performance, but the device is oriented more toward versatility than high-fidelity audio in source-equipped scenarios.
List number 5. Bluetooth aux adapter, built-in battery. This premium option offers a built-in battery, dual pairing, and 3.5mm RCA dual-channel outputs for home stereo use. It relies on Bluetooth 5.3 for 10-meter range and emphasizes low latency and stable streaming for shared listening in a home environment. Performance-wise, the device delivers convenient wireless upgrades for older stereo systems with a built-in battery that supports 8 hours of operation and USB charging. The dual output configuration enables flexible wiring to receivers and speakers, while the 5.3 chipset provides energy efficiency and decent low latency characteristics. The caveat is its older design lineage compared to LDAC-enabled models, meaning that highest resolution audio will depend on the source's supported codecs. Still, for users prioritizing dual-channel outputs and a built-in battery and a premium form factor, this is a strong, feature-rich choice.